So let's put a new cloth bag on my Hoover Senior 638. Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. So this video is going to be a brand new cloth bag going on my 1959 Hoover Senior 638. Here she is. The reason why she's got no bag on her at the minute is because I took the old CPO bag off her off camera a couple of weeks ago, waiting for the new bag. Yes, so this has had a CPO bag on it once I got hold of it. I don't know how long it had the CPO bag on for. If you don't know what CPO bag is, it is the bag that was on the 612, Senior 612, and before it, where it did not take replacement paper bags. It simply just went into the cloth bag, and you either undid the top where you pull out and empty it, or you take the bottom off to empty it, or whatever. They're what your CPO bags are called. This, of course, when it was brand new in the 50s, it did not have a CPO bag. It originally came with the Hoover's very first replacement paper bags. And as you know, getting hold of that cloth bag is a bit of a bark because it's rare. But believe it or not, because of a very good bloke on eBay, we've got the full kit to make this back to replacement paper, believe it or not. So we'll zoom in on the parts we've got. Okay, so now we've got you zoomed in. So here are the parts we need to get this machine back to its originality. So first of all, we've got the cloth bag, which, as you see, is a genuine dark blue Hoover cloth bag with the spring. We've got the bottom fill pipe, the original bottom fill pipe for this machine, with the spring, not the rubber, because originally they were springs to hold the paper bag on. That's the original. We've got the bellows, the original bellows for this machine. We've got the flange, which again is the original for this machine. Now this was a one-off for this machine, because the 612, which I have here, there we go, that's the 612s. This one was on this machine when I first got it, and it's very different to the actual 638's flange. So I couldn't use this one anymore. I had to get this, and they are rare as rocking horse beep. The lovely eBayer helped me out. He found one and he sold me it. So this is a 638 flange. We also have the metal holder that goes on the inside. We'll show you how it works. It goes on the inside of the bellows to hold it on. We've got a genuine Hoover bag, a Hoover paper bag, H1, seniors and juniors. Okay, so we'll start with putting the bellows, the flange and the bottom fill pipe on. Can't remember whereabouts that goes. That goes on after, doesn't it? Yeah, of course it does. Okay, so we've got the bottom fill pipes. So what we want to do is put the bellows around the bottom of the bottom fill pipe. There we go, that's snug. Doesn't matter which way round it goes. There we go, that's on. Now this is the delicate part, which we put this on the flange on first. Now we've got you zoomed in even better. We put the flange on first. Now this goes that way on the machine, and that goes like that. So surely it goes like that. Okay. So bring the lip around. As you can see, it's coming round now. There we go, that is snug. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to try and put this metal clip in there. I don't know which way around it. I don't know if it goes like that or like that. I'm guessing it'll go like that. So here we go. This is what will hold it in place, because this is not going to be difficult at all, guys, but we will try to do it. If I wonder if that is supposed to sit like that. Oh, hang on. Do you know, I think that's on. That is on. There we go. That is now on. Because that is solid, that's not going anywhere. And they're in the grooves. Yeah, that's just not going to come off at all. That's the seal. Lovely. Okay, so now we've got the flange on the bellows onto the bottom fill pipe. That is good, that is nice and tight, that's not going anywhere. The dust will simply just go straight through there and up. There's no rips. These bellows are in good nick actually. They're definitely on that pipe there. That's where they sit. Okay, so the next thing to do is to poke the bag through, which would go that way round. So it would go like that, because this can only go well, obviously. I haven't undone that screw. Oh, it needs to be undone a bit more, doesn't it? As I say, guys, the knife is the only option at the minute. There we go. This can only go well. It goes at the bottom. No, it doesn't. It comes over, that's it. No, actually it does. It sits over it. Or does it? Because that's a bit tight. Ah, it's very tight. Is it definitely positive that it goes around there? I don't know, I just don't know. That is really tight. I'm not sure if that does go round there. I'm not sure. I would like it to, but that's a bit tight. So we've done that now. So that is now basically ready. Got on the machine. Okay, then let's turn her around and get her on this machine. So first of all, we need to locate the lugs like so, and then that is on, and then the spring, there you go. That's, do need to turn it around a bit. Is that better? More. No, it's that, doing that. There you go. Okay, let's put the paper bag on. So that is now in there. That is fully tight in there. paper bag on. Never mind, probably angering some vacuum enthusiast out there, but at the end of the day I can't do it. So right, so bring this further down. We haven't just ripped it, have we? No. That's on, isn't it? Yeah, that is on. That is on. Okay. Let's get the in there, like that. Zip all the way down. And there we have, for the first time in my jurisdiction of owning this machine, it is now a paper bag machine. Okay, so now this machine is a replacement paper bag machine once again. Let's give it a go. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. So yes, just a quick demo after the replacement paper bag has been fitted. Everything went hunky-dory apart from fitting the bag over the flange, but after some you know, blasphemy and swearing, off camera of course, I finally got it on. Wow, what a machine. I love this machine so much, I will never part with it. I'm a bit gutted because obviously the new bag is the original blue, and the machine over the years has lost its original colour. That's a shame. Looks out of place, but it is a genuine hoover bag for this machine. And yeah, I am so happy with this machine. What a beauty. So there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.